My wife's twin sister wants a threesome.
It should have been me, not him! It's not fair!
Dear Pastor, I am 26 years old and my wife is 27. She has a twin sister who is not married. My wife and her twin sister are very close. They are always hugging and playing together.
That's suspicious.
Currently, my wife and I have one child. Whatever I discuss with my wife, she tells her sister. However, something shocked me recently. I found out that my wife's twin sister asked her permission to join us in bed.
Nice.
I asked my wife what her response to that was and she said she told her sister that she would have to ask me. I cannot believe that this girl would want me to have sex with her and her sister at the same time. We have always got along well, but I have never thought of having sex with her. She told my wife that it has been her fantasy. But what has also surprised me is that my wife did not strongly object to the request. My wife and I have had a beautiful marriage. She would not want me to go to any other woman, but now she seems to want to give consent for her sister to join us in bed for a threesome.
You don't find that suspicious?
She is laughing about it, and I can tell you I am disappointed in her. My wife's sister had a boyfriend, and he is now studying in the United States of America. He has not been to Jamaica for more than a year. I will not take his place. I do not know if you would consider me a fool for not agreeing to go to bed with my wife's sister. F.
Sound like a real nigga to me.
Dear F. You did not mention whether your sister-in-law is living in the same house with your wife and yourself. You say your wife and your sister-in-law are very close and they are always playing together. That does not surprise me, because most twins get along very well, and they carry secrets for each other. I suppose that is one reason why your wife's sister felt that she can tell your wife how she feels about you having sex with her. Your wife should have rebuked her. It is not a matter to be taken as a joke, because your sister-in-law means every word she says. It is not a joke. If you were to give consent, probably all three of you would have ended up in bed already. It is unlikely that would be a one-occasion matter. She probably would like it so much that she would want it to be done regularly. Brother, that is trouble. I asked whether your sister-in-law is living with your wife and yourself because perhaps she feels very jealous when she sees both of you hugging up and carrying on.
Yeah, boy.
She thinks that she is missing something. So perhaps your wife and you should not do anything that may cause her to feel jealous. Restrict your lovemaking to your bedroom if she is living at your house. And if she is living there, you can tell her that she should find another place to live. Pastor.
He's out of line, but he's right.
Well guys, this husband has the opportunity to live out many men's dreams to get in bed with two sisters at the same time. However, it is possible that the offer is just a trap set by the twin sisters, and if he agrees then the wife would definitely know that she cannot trust him around other women, or at least her sister. On the other hand, if it is not a trap, if he agrees then you could be opening a whole can of worms that may destroy their marriage down the road. While there will surely be an initial enjoyment, down the line someone will probably get jealous and perhaps the sister may ask the wife if she can join her in threesome with another man, and the wife will do it because she already started having threesomes and liked it.
Correct!
So, I cannot call this man a fool for rejecting the offer. Plus, marriage is a special union between a man and a woman, so introducing a term party is sure to complicate things.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's check out the comment section. But before we do that, if you are still here, please subscribe to the channel for more relationship stories like this one.
The first comment comes from Filt McNasty, beware. They are just trying to test your vulnerability. Macho Loey added, it may be fun, but it is highly immoral. In fact, the Bible warns against this particular behavior, so don't even think about it. Joe Grine also added, what a boring man. Give the woman what she wants.
Just ruining it. Look at my lips, you're ruining it.
King Ironside commented, big man, so what is the problem? As far as I man can see, I man no see nothing wrong with it. You are getting 2 sisters and you are complaining. You should be happy instead of you here writing to Pastor. Pastor must be saying he wishes it was him getting 2 sisters at the same time. Guinness Barking gave his 2 cents, what a lucky guy. You'll sit down and talk about it over a few alcoholic drinks. You'll know their true intentions then, and you might be the luckiest man in the world before the evening ends. Val Marek also commented, boy, what is wrong with you? You don't know that a whole heap of men would die for what you are refusing. Stop the foolishness.
Hey, bro, come on now, dawg. Come on, man.
Omar chimed in with, why did you think that you should write to Pastor? You know you're not up to it, so you should have told the sister to get lost and then put your wife in her place for seemingly being okay with the idea. Captain Sparrow added his 5 cents, brother, you don't seem to understand your good fortune. 100 men would line up to take your place. When you are old and done for, you will remember this gift from your wife. Stop being a child and sharpen your tool for the ride of your life, and yes, you would be a fool to turn down this offer from your lovely wife.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Jalesia Roxanne Cunningham also gave her take, so you really don't want to test it out. What do you expect if she tells her sister everything? Now, she wants to experience it too. Man up, step up and stop acting foolish. After all, you are not in the wrong. Or, maybe it's a test, then don't take no chances unless they pressure you to. Can we talk 2 replied to Jalesia. JRC, I'm sure there are many who might be game in a close-knit family situation like this, with twin sisters, but where does it end? The wife-sister duo. Who knows how well or perhaps not that experience would go, especially in terms of the wife. If she's not in for a repeat of such a liaison, will this dude then hook up with his wife's sister anyway, as long as she keeps it on the low, and she'd bring in another friend of hers to get in bed with him? After these love-making, if the wife should agree, what if the wife should turn the tables and say that she wants a threesome, only this time around it's him and another man? Lordy Lord. Things could get ugly, don't you think?
He ain't lying.
Mike B said, you are certainly not a fool for rejecting the offer. I cannot see any benefits to be gained other than a few minutes of fun. Afterwards, it will be a series of consequences and regrets. Do not entertain the idea. Shame on your wife for even considering it. Especially after having a child already, this is not the type of game one should be playing. And the last comment comes from Desi. I think your wife has already done a threesome with her sister and the boyfriend. That's why she is so comfortable with the idea. Anyway, keep on resisting a little longer, then eventually give in.
Well guys, there is a Jamaican quote that goes like this, trouble na set like rain, which translates to trouble does not set up like rain. Meaning, problems can arise when one does not expect it. So, while this offer to go to bed with 2 sisters may seem harmless now, the moment those 3 get involved sexually, the dynamic between them changes and oftentimes it gets sweet before leaving a bitter aftertaste. And normally a woman does not want to share her man if she really loves him, so seeing that the wife is not against the idea like someone said in the comments, there is a chance this wife has already done some crazy stuff in the past. I still believe it is a trap, but what do you think? Have you ever been asked to do a threesome before? How was it? Share your thoughts with us in the comment section below, like the video to help push the video out to more people, and remember to subscribe to the channel. Also, if you like this video, check out one of our old videos titled, My Sister Trying to Sleep with My Husband. Anyway guys, thank you for watching, I'll catch you in the next one, love.